So this is how to buy Uniswap crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, down in the bottom, there's three different options. Select the one in the middle or the magnifying glass once you're here at the top. Select where it says search by name or symbol and then start typing in Uniswap or ticker symbol UNI. Go ahead and select it and then at the bottom, press buy. Once you're here, you can go to the top right and just check the order type. So in my case, market order type or market order in Canadian dollars or market order in Uniswap. I will keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Now you can go ahead and type in how much Uniswap crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $2 worth, for example, you would type in 2 and then press review. Then before proceeding, you can review the order by checking the amount that you're buying, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Uniswap crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.